Hello, this is Adam Vaughn. Welcome to Second Life. Today I'm going to be discussing three considerations for machinima in Second Life. One being the size of your Second Life viewer. Two, the use of the Alt Zoom camera control. And three, the hide interface function, all of which you are now seeing in the SL viewer. This is the Fires of Genocide site, and right now I have my SL viewer set to 1280 by 720. You see that the interface is hidden, and I'm using the zoom controls to get a good picture of that Fires of Genocide welcome area. We're going to get inside of Fires of Genocide now, walk around a bit, and capture some machinima. Fires of Genocide is a Second Life location dedicated to educating students about genocide. It's highly interactive and quite extensive, actually. On the two trips I've made here, I've spent at least a half an hour each time going from place to place, capturing footage. It's really a great location visually. There's a lot that can be done here with machinima, but it's also very, very educational. Right now I'm using the hide interface controls, which the control function is Option Command F1, and you can hide all the user interface, the SL user interface, so you can get a real clean, clear picture to record. I'm also using the Alt Zoom control, which has got me zooming in and out, and then you can just use the basic rotate functions to rotate the camera.
I give you thanks that we can sit here in this circle of life. We send prayers.
This is sort of giving you some idea of the interactivity of the Fires of Genocide site or location.
Pipes to give thanks to you and all of your creation. We give thanks to the spirit helpers who came and sat among us. Grandfather, most sacred one, these are your prayers that we send to you as we sit here together and pray.
I'm not quite sure why I sat right down in front of this guy. I guess I accidentally clicked on his chair, so the fun of dealing with Second Life. We're going to go to the next location, and I'm just going to do some zooms and get some footage. Basically what I would probably use for panning, or in this case that would probably be a still. Another potential still. Remember, this with the size that we're recording at, this is all going to come out in basically high def, so when you do upload your final machinima product, you're going to end up with a pretty high quality setup. Our next location sends us to Sudan's Darfur region, and this is even more interactive than the last area was, in that you actually have a little mission or quest to go on. You basically are tasked with helping a woman find her lost brother who she's been separated from. Right now I'm bumping up the lighting on this, which oddly enough, lighting in Second Life will affect how your machinima is going to look, so I need a little bit brighter view. So there is Nura, and basically this is where the story begins. We'll get a little image of that there, and from here on out, you'll meet up with her at different locations, usually at the end of a particular scene, but anything with a ring around it, like this well over there, is going to have some interactivity to it, and you click on those objects, and usually a text display will come up, or it'll give you some clue as to where her brother has gone, possibly. In this case, we jump ahead, and you found a necklace of his outside a soldier's encampment. In the encampment, I use a little bit more of the alt zoom stuff. I want to show that you can actually click on the object itself, and the object becomes the center of your focus for your camera. So when we zoom in, now when we start turning or panning to the right and the left, the camera stays locked onto the object. So it gives you kind of this sort of dolly effect that you would see in movies and whatnot. I'm going to do the same thing again here on this picture on the wall. And I believe if we zoom in, there you go. Anyways, this gives you some idea of how to use the Alt Zoom and the hide interface controls in Second Life. Please look at the rest of the resources. There are plenty of very good ones on my read page. Thanks much.